Is your home getting to be too much to handle in the terms of cost, maintenance, or mobility? This video may be for you. I'm Devin Hewlett with Home and Property Real Estate. Here are a few things that you may want to consider if your home is getting to be too much to handle. Number one, if the costs are getting too much, you may want to think about renting out a portion of your home if that's possible. This could help out with the cost of running your home, also help out with the housing shortage that we have right now. If that's not possible, downsizing the home can save you on utility costs, property tax, insurance, maintenance, and repairs. Number two, if maintenance is an issue, you may want to ask a friend or a family member or a neighbor to help out, or pay someone to help with the maintenance around your home. If that doesn't work out, there are living situations that include maintenance, like rental apartments, condos, life leases, or co-ops. Number three, if mobility is an issue going up and down the stairs, you may want to consider installing a chair lift to help going up and down the stairs, or you can move into a one-level apartment style or condo or bungalow, all on one level. I hope these three suggestions were helpful.